Hi everyone. So this video is not about anything technical. It's more about misleading or spam kind of thing. Okay, on LinkedIn. Okay, especially on LinkedIn. So basically, I was scrolling in LinkedIn. Okay, so I got like hiring posts and all. So I thought, okay, let's go. What is the hiring and what is the things? Okay, let's go and check because if you are in IT, of course you need to switch and all. It's a part of okay. So I noticed one thing. Okay, so if you go to any developer's profile or a well optimized LinkedIn profile, there you will get one good image, of course, one good image open to work, or other than that, hiring and all. Okay, and the second thing is one banner, some text, which technology or what you do, profession and all, contact, everything, or like current company and all, and here a good about section. Okay, and few posts. Okay, now and the work experience and certificate, everything. Okay, your projects, skills, and any recommendations. All that's a basic thing in a LinkedIn profile, correct? But what I noticed is, okay, so here is a disclaimer. Okay, if anyone, if I have take I have shown many names here. Okay, if anyone feels things like it's wrong, please reach out to me. I will remove or you trim your part. There is no offense, it's just my observation. Okay, what I observe. So as a developer, as an engineer, I observe lot of things, and that's spread awareness. Okay, so I how I notice these things was, let me say this. Okay, let me explain how I got this thing. Okay, how I noticed this thing. Let me open fresh one. Okay, what happened? I saw one LinkedIn post. Okay, so let me draw. I saw one LinkedIn post. It was saying hiring. Okay, hiring, and some text was there. Lot of text, like all technology. Okay, what technology you can think, that all technology will there. And at the end, it was written, if you are interested, okay, interested, comment, we will reach out to you. Okay, this was the thing. Okay, that's fine, people will do, might be, I am not sure. Okay, but thing is, there was one more guy. Okay, one more person whose comment was interested. Okay, it's about 99 interested, 99 comments, total comments. Okay, in that it's a written interested. Okay, few days back I saw the same guy who was giving, like he was mentioned hiring. Okay, and same guy is saying interested in that job position. Okay, second interesting thing was all the things were related to tech, full stack, UI UX. That's fine, like and all. Okay, and these are all HR, so basically non-technical things, and the hiring was for technical things, one thing. Okay, it's look little bit suspicious. Okay, that's fine, that is also you can ignore. Okay, so then I reach out to that profile. Okay, profile, good. Okay, post, all hiring. Okay, let me refresh this one. Okay, everything, every post if you see, it was related to hiring, hiring, urgent hiring, urgent hiring, urgent hiring. Okay, if you open UIX, Flutter, mobile location, remotely, and all hiring, hiring, hiring. Okay, that's fine. Okay, might be lots of hiring is going on. Okay, no article, no documentation, no image, no video, nothing. Okay, if you go to about section, just notice this one, 2 to 10 employees, industry information service. Okay, second thing, second person I reach. Okay. This one is HR Neha. I'll check the this name. Okay, so this was the you custom name you can give. Okay, here name is Neha and here name is something else. Okay, second thing, second person name same, HR Jayasri. See the name. Okay, same about section, 2 to 10 employees. Post, if you see, all are hiring, we are hiring, we are hiring. And what technology you can think, that technology will be there in that hiring for sure. Okay, third, it's a gesture only. Let's go to this guy, Daniel Taylor. Same 2 to 10 employee. Post is hiring, 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 hiring. I also followed to say this one. Same. Okay, hiring, hiring. Same story, everything. Okay, why I'm saying in the sense, just imagine we are working hard and you checked hiring. There will be a comment, interested or email. You type the email, customize email, and you send them. You didn't reply. What you get? Nothing. You get the time waste. Might be you will not receive a high chance you will not receive any response from them for sure. I don't know why they are doing this one. Might be for the to gain engagement in LinkedIn. Might be they need to prove something. Okay, I don't know the intention behind all these things. Okay, okay, all these things I don't know. Might be something is there. I am not aware of these things. Okay, same 2 to 10 employee and all. And one more thing, if you see the followers, every person, whatever the मैंने जिन जिन को दिखाया, all they have more than 10K followers. How? These are bots or the real person? What's going on LinkedIn? See, same, same 21K followers. 21K followers. Okay, same right. Okay, here 31K followers, 2 to 10 employees. What? What? See, 28K followers. What's going on? So, if anyone heard from this video, feel free to reach out to me. I will delete this video or I will trim your part, but at least I am spreading awareness about this misleading things. Okay, it's a misleading thing on internet, so be aware. See you in the next video. Bye bye.